Asus appears to be charging full steam ahead with a successor to its ROG Ally gaming handheld. According to a recent interview with Asus India's Vice President Arnold Su, the company will likely launch a second-generation model sometime this year. While Asus has yet to make an official announcement, Su stated that the ROG Ally 2 is most likely arriving in 2024. Given that the original ROG Ally debuted in mid-2022, that would put the rumored refresh on a quick 12-18 month development timeline. This accelerated pace comes as a surprise, considering the original ROG Ally hit the market almost 7 months ago. And while the device garnered positive reviews for its raw horsepower, courtesy of an AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme chip, it was not without faults. Early adopters reported issues like fried micro SD cards, inconsistent 720p gaming performance, and unintuitive software. Some of these problems have been addressed through BIOS updates, but work remains to polish the overall user experience. Rushing into an Ally 2 so soon raises questions on whether Asus has had adequate time to refine its initial handheld formula. The company's strategy stands in contrast to Valve's patient, iterative approach with the Steam Deck. That said, swift competition is heating up in the nascent handheld gaming PC space. Lenovo launched its Legion Go system earlier this year, boasting a Snapdragon processor and Xbox Game Pass integration. MSI has its Claw device looming on the horizon as well. In this case, a rapid follow-up release from Asus makes sense to counter rivals and capitalize on growing consumer interest in portable, cloud-connected gaming. While details remain scarce, Su hinted that the Ally 2 will continue running Windows 11, focusing more on optimizing the gaming experience. This could involve tweaks to the user interface, settings, game profiles, controller support, and other elements. Hardware upgrades seem probable as well, perhaps adopting a newer AMD processor and GPU combination for additional performance uplifts. Higher resolution displays and improved battery life would also be welcome upgrades. At a minimum, Asus will surely pay close attention to refining areas like thermal management and software stability. Addressing early Ally pain points is critical, especially with formidable handheld options from Valve and others already available. Of course, enthusiasts looking for the bleeding edge may find the Ally 2 alluring based on power gains alone. However, more casual gamers will likely weigh aspects like usability, comfort, game support, and cost. Here the ROG Ally still has room to mature. Interestingly, Asus already tested splitting its handheld line with a stripped-down Ally Z1 model. The value-focused variant makes little sense against the standard Ally, demonstrating the company is still finding its footing in the handheld space. The quickened pace of releases shows a commitment to the category long-term. And more competition benefits all consumers by accelerating innovation and creating more choices at various price points. For now, interested buyers have an expanding range of options to weigh, like the Ioneo 2S or GDP Win 4. But the rumored ROG Ally 2 will surely enter that conversation once Asus provides details on pricing, specs, and availability. One thing seems certain: handheld gaming PCs are here to stay. And Asus aims to remain a driving force in making PC-caliber power portable. The ROG Ally kicked down the doors, but its successor now has expectations to fulfill. So what do you think? Let us know your opinion in the comments section below, and thanks for watching.